How to change currency on Skrill. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change currency on Skrill. So how do you do this? It's very simple. The first step is to ensure that you have the Skrill application installed on your device. And once you have that done, you can just go ahead and click on the application to open it up. Now once you've opened up the application, you'll be asked to log in, alright, either using your fingerprint or your PIN, whichever one. Just ensure that you're logged in, and then once you're logged in, you revert to the home page where you can see your wallet balance, and then you can see three icons, namely the add, transfer, and then exchange. And then once you can see this, you there are three ways whereby you can change your currency, and you can change your currency while adding money to your account. You can change your currency while sending money, or even while exchanging. All right, you can change your currency during any of this time, but your default currency would be the currency of the country where you are residing at the moment. That cannot be changed only if you relocate to another country entirely. But there are other ways to get about it, like I said, which is why adding money to your account, why transferring, or why doing an exchange, you can change your currency. So if you want to change your currency while adding money, how do you do this? Just click on the add icon, and then you'll be directed to the add deposit page where you can see the currency and then the amount, and you just tap on the currency. After tapping on the currency, you will go to the page where you can see different currency, all right, such as Australian dollar. You can see different currencies. So just select the one that you want to change it to, and then you can now go ahead and add money using this currency. And then the other option is by transferring, right? So you click on the transfer icon, and then you'll be directed to this page. On this page, you can send to yourself, script to Skrill, etc. You can just click on send to yourself, and then the network is, internet connection is bad now, but once you click on send to yourself, you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to input details, input the currency, etc. There you also select the currency icon, and then you'll be able to change the currency to whichever one you want to change it to, and then just like that the currency would be changed. So this is how you can go about it. This is how you can change currency on Skill. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.